Hello everyone, my name is Nirmani. I'm a web development intern at NetShop ISP. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a WordPress installation on cPanel in order to host your landing page. So as the first step, you will have to log into your cPanel account. As you can see, I have already logged into mine. And when you log into your cPanel account, please scroll down to the software section where you find the WordPress manager and click it. Now you can see there are two buttons. One is for install and the other one is for scan. When you click the scan button, you can see if there is any existing installation. As you can see, we don't have any installation yet. So we go back and click install button for new installation. So now there are already have some existing data, but of course you can change anything you want or select anything you want here. So let's go step by step on each section where we have to change any information or if we have to add anything else. So the first step section is the software setup. So you can see you have a protocol, a domain name, and the directory. So I'm going to leave the domain name as it is, but you can choose any protocol you want from here. So I'm going to go with the default one, which is the HTTPS. And I will remove the directory from here as it's not necessary. Now you have a choice to choose the WordPress version you want, and it has the latest version as a default, but you can choose any other previous version you want. So I'm going to go with the default one, which is the latest WordPress version. So next we have the details about site setting, and here you don't need to update your site name or the description because it will override when you retrieve the site that you locally work on from the backup. So we're going to leave this as it is. Next section we have the admin details. So here I recommend you to change the details here for security reasons. So I'm going to put my name as the username, and I'm going to generate a more secure password from here. Then I will put my email as the email account. Then we have the language section where you have a list of languages to pick one. So I'm going to go with the English. And later we have the plugin section where you can tick any of those plugin if it's necessary for your landing page. But right now for my landing page, I don't have to choose any of these. Then finally, we have the theme section where you don't need to choose anything here as well, because if you select any of the here, it will override with your existing theme in your landing page, what you choose when you work on locally. So we're gonna leave it as it is here. Then when you scroll down, you can see there is a install button which is start the installation, and click it. You can see the progress, and it will take several minutes. So when the WordPress installation installed successfully, it will show you two links, which one of these for your WordPress landing page, which is just go lives, and the other one for WordPress admin area. So as I said, these are the two links. So this one is for the your landing page, but it will not have your all the data because you haven't backed up your file and on the WordPress and imported your data. So you have to click the administrator URL and then retrieve your backup file, save in the local server using one of the migration plugins. For example, you can use all-in-one WP migration. Then you have your all the data and all the plugins and all the information you created live. So I hope this was helpful tutorial. And to see more video like this, please head to NetShop ISP YouTube channel. So thank you for watching and bye bye.